ready to make some Halloween crafts. For this Halloween crafts, we're gonna need some popsicle sticks and a permanent marker and some tape, okay? So for this Halloween craft, we're gonna line up our popsicle sticks together, all in a row. And then after we do that, then we're gonna grab our permanent marker, okay? And for this one, since this popsicle stick is orange, let's draw a pumpkin. Are you guys ready to draw a pumpkin? All right, we're gonna get 2 pieces of tape and we're gonna tape the top row. That way the popsicle sticks won't move when we're drawing on the popsicle sticks, okay? And then after we tape up the top row, we're gonna tape up the bottom row, just like this. And then after we tape up the bottom row, now we're gonna go and get our permanent marker. And once we get our permanent marker, we're gonna start drawing a pumpkin. Now, it doesn't have to be perfect, whatever comes to mind. So first, I'm going to draw a circle. Look at that big circle. And then I'm gonna draw my pumpkin eyes, which is the shape of a triangle. And then I'm gonna draw another eye, and now I'm gonna draw the pumpkin mouth, okay? There we go. And then I'm gonna draw the trunk of the pumpkin, just like that. Now this pumpkin can be whatever you like. And then I'm gonna do some swiggles around. Whatever you can draw, whatever you like. This is your puzzle and this is your Halloween craft. And so now that we're finished drawing our pumpkin, I'm gonna take off the bottom piece of tape of the row, and then I'm gonna number the sticks from 1 to 10. Can you guys help me count from 1 to 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! Good job, guys. Now that I numbered the popsicle sticks from 1 to 10, now I'm going to take off the tape on the top row. And this is our first Halloween craft. We just made a Halloween craft and a pumpkin puzzle. Now we're gonna mix it all up. And guess what? We're gonna put the puzzle back together. And the way we're gonna do that is we're gonna put the numbers in order. Are you guys ready? All right, let's start. Let's make sure all the numbers are visible. Can you guys help me find number 1? There we go. Good job. What about number 2? Can you guys help me find number 2? Yeah, right there. All right, let's put number 1 and 2 together. And what about number 3? Can you find it? There you go. Awesome. Okay, now we're gonna do number 4. Where's number 4? I see it. It's right there. There we go. Now let's find number 5. Where did number 5 go? There it is. Fantastic. We're almost there. Now let's find number 6. There it is, number 6. All right, wow, the puzzle's coming together, guys. I'm so excited. All right, there goes number 7. Let's do number 7. Fantastic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What comes after the number 7? 8. That is right. Now, can you guys help me find the number 8? There it is. 8. And then let's find the number 9. There goes the number 9. And then 10. Good job, guys. We put the pumpkin puzzle together. Wow, so awesome. You guys did a great job. All right, let's move on to the next puzzle that we're going to do, okay, guys? So we're going to do the same thing that we did for the pumpkin puzzle, okay? We're gonna put all our popsicle sticks close together, okay? And do you guys know what color this is? Yes, that's right. This is the color green. Can you guys say green? Good job. So now we're gonna tape up the top row. That way the popsicle sticks won't move. And then we're gonna tape up the bottom row as well. That way, when we draw on it, the popsicle sticks won't move. All right, well, let's get our magic marker and let's start drawing. Since this is green, let's draw a Halloween monster. All right, like I said, guys, it doesn't have to be perfect, but you draw whatever you like, okay? I'm gonna draw a monster on here. And I'm gonna draw his hair, and then I'm gonna draw his eyes, 1 circle, 2 circles, and then a zigzag line. And then he has scars on his face. So I'm gonna draw that too. Yeah. And then let's draw some arms. There we go. Like I said, guys, it doesn't have to be perfect. You draw however you like, okay? Let's color in his hair. Yeah, let's do that. That way he has a little bit of hair. Awesome, guys. I would love to see your creations. And yeah, let's color in his hands too. There we go. I think that monster looks pretty good. All right, now that I'm happy with my monster, I'm gonna take off the tape on the bottom. And we're gonna number the sticks again. Can you guys help me again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! Good job, guys. Now that the popsicles are numbered, let's take off the tape on the top row. And then once we take off the tape on the top row, let's mix them all around, and then we'll put the puzzle together again. Are you guys ready? Here we go. Mix, 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 mix. Guys, this is so fun. I hope you guys are enjoying it as much as I am. Mix, 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 mix. All right, now let's make sure all the numbers are showing on the front. And now let's find the number 1. There we go. We found it. All right. Now, what about the number 2? We're on a roll. Yeah. And the number 3? There we go. I'm starting to see the puzzle come together. Now, what comes after the number 3? 4. There we go. We got it. 4. And now let's find the number 5. There it is. I see it. Good job, guys. We are doing a fantastic job. Now, there goes the number 6. We're almost there, guys. Now, what comes after the number 6? 7. That is right. Awesome. Now, after 7 comes the number 8. There we go. And after 8 comes 9. Let's put 9 close together. And then 10. Good job, guys. Look at that. We put our monster puzzle together. Awesome work, guys. Now let's do another one. This is so much fun. So as before, we're going to put all our popsicles together, okay? We're gonna line them up just like before. And I like this color. Can you guys guess what color this is? That's right. This is the color blue. Can you guys say blue? Good job. Blue is such a beautiful color. So now that we have all our sticks lined up, we're going to tape the top row up for the popsicle sticks don't move. And then we're going to tape the bottom up again as well. That way when we draw our Halloween character, the popsicles don't move. I wonder, what am I going to draw on these popsicle sticks? I know. What about a ghost? Can you guys help me draw a ghost as well? All right, here we go. This is pretty cool. Like I said, your ghost can be any size, any color. It doesn't have to be perfect. Whatever you like it to be. Oh, look at it coming together. Let's draw his eyes. For his eyes can be wide open. And then its mouth. Wow, look at that ghost, guys. Now I'm gonna write boo. Can you guys say boo? Can you spell it with me? B-O-O. Boo. Awesome, guys. Now that our ghost is finished, let's remove the tape from the bottom and we're gonna number the puzzles again. Now, can you guys help me with that? All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Awesome, friends. Now that the popsicles are numbered, let's remove the tape from the top, okay? That way we can mix it, and then we can put the puzzle back together. Look at that, guys. All right, are you guys ready to mix? All right, here we go. Mix. This is so much fun, guys. Make sure all the numbers, you can see them on the top, okay? All right. Oh, one more, flip over. Okay, perfect. Now, can you guys help me find the number 1? There it is. Good job. What about the number 2? Awesome. All right. Let's find the number 3. There it is. It was hidden. All right, we're gonna put the number 3 behind the number 2. And what about the number 4? We got it. The ghost is starting to come together. And number 5? Awesome. All right, guys, we're halfway there. And then the number 6. There it is. Awesome. What comes after the number 6, guys? 7. There we go. All right, now let's find the number 8. There it is. Wow, it's starting to come together, guys. And then after 8 comes 9. Now, then after 9 comes the number 10. Wow, we did it, guys. Look at that. We made 3 Halloween popsicle puzzles. Guys, I'm so proud of you. This was awesome and so much fun. I hope you enjoyed as much as I did. And guys, don't forget to like and subscribe for more, okay? And enjoy your puzzles. Happy Halloween.